Considering RAV4, you should look at the 2018 Ford Escape. It has features you should really consider. For starters, with enhanced active park assist, you'll never fear parallel or perpendicular parking. RAV4 doesn't make it this easy. Escape also has more horsepower than RAV4, 245 to 176. And it can tow more than twice as much as RAV4. Thanks to intelligent four-wheel drive, Escape handles confidently in different driving conditions. And when it comes to brand loyalty for SUVs, nobody beats Ford. Want more? How about this? Over 96% of all Escapes sold in the last 10 years are still on the road. All of which could explain why Ford is America's best-selling brand. Ford, the most awarded brand for initial quality by J.D. Power.